Have you ever wondered how a computer can create a painting, write a story, or compose a piece of music? It might sound like science fiction, but it's actually a reality thanks to something called generative AI. In this video, we're going to uncover what generative AI is, how it works, and how it's transforming the world around us. Let's dive right in. Before we dive into generative AI, let's start with a quick refresher on AI, or artificial intelligence. AI is a branch of computer science dedicated to creating systems that can perform tasks usually requiring human intelligence. This includes understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, making decisions, and more. Within the realm of AI, there's a particularly exciting area known as generative AI. But what exactly is generative AI? In essence, generative AI involves algorithms that can generate new, original content. This content could be text, images, music, or even video. It's all about creating something new based on patterns learned from existing data. The concept of generative AI isn't brand new. It has roots in various fields, including statistics, machine learning, and even art. One of the earliest forms of generative models were probabilistic graphical models used in the 20th century. But it wasn't until the advent of deep learning and neural networks in the last decade that generative AI began to make a significant impact. The development of generative adversarial networks, or GANs, by Ian Goodfellow in 2014 was a major milestone. GANs involve two neural networks, the generator and the discriminator, working against each other. The generator creates content, while the discriminator evaluates it, pushing the generator to improve continuously. Let's look at some real-world examples of generative AI. Text generation. Generative AI has revolutionized how we generate written content. For instance, OpenAI's GPT models, including GPT-3 and GPT-4, are capable of generating coherent and contextually relevant text based on prompts. These models are trained on vast datasets, allowing them to produce essays, stories, and even code. Image creation. Tools like DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney can generate stunning images from textual descriptions. For example, if you type a futuristic city skyline at sunset, these models can create highly detailed and imaginative images that match your description. Music composition. Generative AI isn't just limited to visual and textual content. Tools like AIVA and Amper Music can compose original pieces of music. These models learn from existing compositions and generate new melodies, harmonies, and rhythms. Video and animation. In the realm of video, AI models can generate realistic animations and video clips. These technologies are used in gaming, film production, and virtual reality to create lifelike characters and scenes. So, how does generative AI work? At the heart of generative AI are machine learning models, particularly deep learning models. These models are trained on massive datasets to learn patterns, structures, and features. For example, a text-generating model like GPT is trained on diverse text sources, learning grammar, style, and context. During training, it predicts the next word in a sentence given the previous words, gradually learning to generate coherent text. In the case of GANs, the generator network creates content, while the discriminator network evaluates it. Over time, the generator improves its output based on the feedback from the discriminator, resulting in increasingly realistic content. The applications of generative AI are vast and varied. Here are a few key areas where it's making a significant impact. Creative industries. Artists, designers, and musicians use generative AI tools to explore new creative possibilities and streamline their workflows. It's also used for creating unique content for marketing, entertainment, and media. Healthcare. Generative AI is being used to generate synthetic medical data, which can help in training and validating AI models without compromising patient privacy. It's also used in drug discovery to generate potential molecular structures. Education. Generative AI can create personalized educational content and tutoring systems. It can generate practice problems, explanations, and even interactive learning materials tailored to individual needs. Business and marketing. Businesses use generative AI to create content for ads, social media, and product descriptions. It helps in automating content generation and personalizing user experiences. While generative AI offers incredible opportunities, it also raises some important ethical considerations. Deepfakes. Generative AI can create highly realistic but fake images, videos, or audio, known as deepfakes. These can be used maliciously to spread misinformation or invade privacy. Copyright issues. The content generated by AI might raise questions about intellectual property and ownership, especially if it closely resembles existing works. Bias and fairness. AI models can inherit biases present in the training data, leading to biased or unfair outcomes. Ensuring fairness and addressing biases is an ongoing challenge in the field. Misuse. The technology can be misused for creating misleading content or manipulating public opinion. It's crucial to develop guidelines and safeguards to prevent such misuse. Looking ahead, the future of generative AI is incredibly exciting. Researchers are continually advancing these models, making them more capable and versatile. We might see more creative applications, better control mechanisms, and even more integration into everyday tools and services. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look at what generative AI is and how it's shaping our world. If you enjoyed this deep dive, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.